Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with and outside your circle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this knotted headbands. So there are two different versions. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve these two knots in the end, and let's just get started. Now guys, what you're going to need is a fabric that is 8 inches by 20 inches. Now for the one with the most knots, you can make it 21 inches. So 8 inches by 20 inches, and for the second one will be 8 inches by 21 inches. So guys, what you're going to do first is you're going to fold your fabric into two, right sides facing each other. Now guys, you're also going to make sure these fabrics are stretchy along the 20 inches side. Make sure it is very stretchy. So I got this fabric from the excess fabric that was remaining from my Skims recreation dresses that I made. I've shown you guys how to make it on this channel. I'm going to link it down below so that you guys can go check it out. But in this video, let's get into this one. Now you're going to fold your fabric right sides facing each other. Right sides facing each other. And then you're going to sew along the 20 inches side. So fold it and sew it along that edge. So using a stretch stitch, or when you're sewing with a straight stitch, make sure you're pulling the fabric so that it can stretch. Basically, don't just sew it straight down like that. Be pulling your fabric as you're sewing it. Now guys, this is what it looks like after sewing. I used 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, and then I'm going to just turn it out right here.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your...
So guys, can you see what I have right here? I've turned it out, and this is what my fabric looks like in the end. Now guys, you're going to lay your fabric flat so that the seam is in the middle. So can you see my seam is in the middle just like this? Make sure it's in the middle, and then you're going to place it right sides facing, just like the parts where you don't have the seams. Place it right sides facing like that, and then pull it like this, like how I'm doing it. Pull it like that so that you can have it looking like this. Now guys, please follow what I'm doing. You're going to now fold it just like I'm doing right here. So fold it over each other like this. So how I did it, fold it like that so that you have the seams on both sides. So now you're going to pin it down and then sew it down on that part using 1/2 inch seam allowance. So can you guys see? Fold it right there and sew it using 1/2 inch seam allowance. Now for the second method again, you're going to place your fabric the way we did it. Make sure the seams are in the middle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do as if you are creating a knot. So can you guys see what I've done? I've done as if I'm tying it once, and then you're going to place your fabric right sides facing, just like we did for the other one. Right sides facing each other. Pull it to the center like this, and then fold it the way we did earlier. So make sure the seams are showing on both sides. So put it right there, and then sew it using 1/2 inch on that part as well. So sew it using 1/2 inch, and guys, I have sewn it right here. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see? Now I'm just going to trim off the excess. So trim it off to close to the seam that you just sewed. So trim it off is going to help you, not have anything bulging out or poking out. So I'm just going to do that right here.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability, they want the credit.
And then after doing it, just pull out your fabric like this and your headband is ready. Guys, it is so ready. Can you see what it looks like? It is ready and ready to be worn. And it is stretchy. Like I said, stretch it out once you're sewing and use a stretchy fabric.
I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only
Now this is the second one. I'm also going to snip it and cut off the excess.
I won't stop till I wear the crown.
And after doing that, I'm just going to pull it out just like I'm doing right here so that I can have a knot. So hide the raw edges on the inside of the knot and then pull it out like this. So can you guys see what it looks like? This is what this fully knotted looks like, and it turned out really amazing. Guys, this tutorial, like this sewing project, does not take more than 30 minutes. If I was not recording, I would just use like 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and I'm done. It's an easy project to make, trust me. So this is what it is. This is what they look like. I love how they turned out. Guys, it's beautiful. I have so many scrap fabric. I have a playlist basically of scrap fabric projects that I can make, and I will link it in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. It is amazing. Guys, please go check it out. I'm going to link other videos as well. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations, and I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Guys, check out my other videos, sustainable fashion videos, crochet pieces, unboxing, gadget reviews. Guys, I have so many things on this channel, plants, events. Guys, this channel is packed and it's made for you. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, joining as a member to be able to see videos first on this channel. And it actually also helps the channel grow. Like, the money helps in getting more materials, fabrics to make amazing things on this channel. Like this video, share within and outside your circle, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.